Okay. Man, some aggressive personalities in here, meat eaters. So we're not going to walk back forever, but we're playing the game, right? And we're making ourselves stay at a particular level of force so we can train. But sometimes contact will be made. There's basically two ways it can be made. She walks toward me and I go like this. Back up. Who's in trouble? You. That's right, I am. Yeah. This is the hardest part to fix. Or she walks toward me. Hey, I'm in trouble. Just relax. Everything's going to be okay. See, I still made contact. I still went to a control position that I want, but how's it visually?
Well, you're still backing off. When she's
I could stop.
And it was very subtle.
Yeah, I like to back up if I have space because I'm conditioning the room. That's how I see it. I want the song and dance to tell a story. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So for me, when contact is made, it could be 1, 2 on shoulders, and this can vary. This is just the basic one I introduce, and I'll go to what we call the band of control. If you imagine a band around that upper arm, front or back, that's the band of control. I am not gripping. What's this going to do? Right, I just escalated it. It's just a yoke. We call it a yoke grip like that. Now what makes a yoke grip work is intent in the arms. So this is a drill to feel what I'm talking about. If she does a yoke and pushes the arms back, but there's no intent in my arms, it has no effect on me. So I'm going to do the same drill, but I'm going to try to reach for the gun, right? Or just reach for her. She'll see how it gave her handles on my body. So nothing. She reaches for the belt line. Right away, it gives me control of hers. Reach for me, right? If they stop reaching, okay, we're done. I'm glad you calmed down. All these nice people, we don't want any trouble. Does that make sense on the drill? It's just called the dead arm drill to feel that idea. So real quick, try it with your partner, and then we're going to look at what we can do with this.
Can I just clarify? You're making contact, but not really putting any force in your arms. Only once you apply force to me do I need it.
Or they'll put intent in. Like right now, if you push, okay, right. But if I start reaching for you, see how it became a handle?
Yeah.
Now you're moving me. And so if they have intent, you'll have control. And this is at a low level force. We're not fighting. I'm trying to de-escalate it and control it, but I also want to be in a good position if I have to line them up. So there are basically two positions I can be in when I'm in front of them. I can be inside the arms or outside. If coach has the double bicep yoke on me, he is inside the arms. The most common thing I get is, you don't understand, I'm the biggest fan. They just try to come inside. For whatever reason, when I'm training, I just have people try to push on the chest. So coach has biceps here. If I go to the inside, you don't understand, he's going to switch that grip to the elbows or tricep. Now, if he lifts my arm straight up, it has no control on me. So what he's going to do is push toward the shoulder like that. And you'll feel that it moves them pretty successfully. If coach touches the chest, it's just, that's what I'm looking for. And the whole point of both of these is to have a low level of method of control that's socially acceptable. I'm not gripping, right? I want him in his mind to go, why am I moving back? I don't understand. So repeat on that, or got enough to play it?
One more time.
So I've got biceps.
Not grabbing.
Nope. If he's reaching for my belt line, he gives me handles. And I could tilt left or right. We call this the steering wheel. I don't have to just push back. I don't want to be a linebacker. And he says, you don't understand, I'm the biggest fan. I'll just go to the elbows. He may even push more toward me. That's
If
okay.
I push more toward me, he knocks me off.
Right. We're not gripping or anything. The whole purpose of these two is to feel that type of control that you can have. Once you've got it, it can happen anywhere. Hey, how are you doing today? It's nice to meet you. It's just easier above the elbow in the beginning. Got enough to try it with your partner. And if you need help, we can come around and you can feel it. Let's do it.
Pull it away, push it away, or does it matter?
That's it.
Just give you control.
All right, she pushes on me. It's just enough to kind of make her take a step back like that.
So in first usually?
Yeah, and it'll feel better to you
Come from behind?
like this. Push toward the shoulder. You just did it.
Just a little pressure.
Yeah, doesn't take much.
Hey, I'm sorry. You have a bigger comment. Okay, calm.
Good.
What's the
Feel it?
transition? I'm having trouble with the transition. So from here, I've got him supported, and I can actually kind of move him. But when he goes to here, how do I go?
I'm going to answer that for everybody.
All right.
Quick. We had a really good question. Oh, that's great. It works pretty good. But as they move, my hands are getting lost. So this drill, and actually this is one of the main drills when we teach this program that you take with you, is called the sticky hand drill. So she has a double bicep yoke, and watch how her hands transition as I come to the inside. So she went right, she even rocked me on my heels there. One arm may come out. See, I'm making her do it. Scratch her head, rub her belly, stand on one foot at the same time. I might even do a little bit of this. See that transition? She maintained contact the whole time, and that's one of the things that gives you success. And see how I'm helping her train. Like that. Now, if I go too quick and their hands get lost, I slow down. Now, this is something you can take with you. Like we said in the beginning, one's an experience and one is an education. Part of a good education in an event like this is you have a curriculum to take with you. In other words, you can write it down or take a picture of it and go, I could train this for the next 6 months and get good. You should get that. Questions on that idea? Okay, one thing to note when you're doing the drill. See how my elbows are out like a chicken. Anytime they come close to the body, she has the ability to put me in an escort position. Or I just put myself in it, really. And we'll add that in a minute. Right now, just the hands. But we want to note, people will bring their elbows close when they're, when they're trying to resist the idea or what they feel is energetic control. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. And we'll add in the next part. See the hand?
That's why I was.
He goes back anyway. We'll just let him choose.
So it's not so much
And
about
it's just
holding the contact. That's kind of like just keeping a shield.
Yeah.
Like more.
If you've got contact, you're going to have low-level control. Well, we got to think it's not elevated yet.
Yeah, right.
I'm trying to calm him down during all of this. The gift of gab is running the whole
You're
time,
buying time to talk him down.
or I'm positioning myself in case it elevates.
Ultimately.
Right. Watch this.
Right now, this is again, like,
That's okay. She comes to the inside.
so like I would do, like, used to do this too.
She goes back. Most people go under. That's probably the main one. Yoke. Yoke. If she goes over the top, I just have to learn to shift, keep
You still
contact.
don't want to be aggressive where it feels like you grab them because that's when people start to get.
Right. Because the second I go, hey man, just calm.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, whoa, run, right?
That's right.
Right.
So, I was almost saying if we did it blindfolded, you could almost just kind of feel it out.
Yeah, you could.